Hi you all, hope you guys are doing absolutely great and I'm super excited for this video. You guys requested for this video and here I am. काफ़ी जनों ने मुझे बोला था सवाना हॉल बनाओ please. So here we go. So I ordered, this is going to be huge Savannah Hall by Urbanic, and as you guys can see, it's way too heavy. In this video I'm going to show you outfit which is very appropriate for summer and which is comfortable, breathable, and also from the 10th of May the sale will be live and it will be last up to 12th May. So make sure you guys grab the amazing offers and deals. Have you heard that Urbanic just launched Savannah and I'm obsessed, like literally I'm obsessed. Like it's all about chic fashion style with amazing quality. It's so easy on your pocket too, and isn't it that we all dream of? And so my cart is ready for checkout. What about you guys? So download it right now and discover their collection right away. All the links are mentioned in the description box down below, so make sure you guys check this out. And yes, कुछ outfits जो है वो out of stock हो गए थे, कुछ dresses वगैरह हैं. So I'll make sure कि मैं out of stock उनका भी link मैं mention कर दूँगी, so it will be easy for you when it will get in stock, then you can purchase it. Alright, so let's get right into this video without any wasting any time. Okay, so our first product is going to be one of my personal favorite in this entire haul video, is this beautiful smoking A-line with a contrast dress. I am obsessed with this dress. I mean, just look at the detailing, the ruffle or whatever pattern is this. Look at this. I mean, this specific lace enhanced the whole outfit. I mean, this lace is the only game changer, guys. I am in love with this dress, and the fabric of this dress is cotton, which is super breathable and comfortable, especially in summers. Love this one. The only issue is that कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबी है मेरे. So if you are a short-heighted girl, then make sure you wear a super high heels so that it will look perfect A-line. And yes, this is how it looks like from the back area. इसमें से पूरा elastic pattern दे रखा है with a zip closure plus adjustable strap दे रखी है, which is like, you know, very comfortable, so you guys can adjust according to your shoulder, like जैसा भी आपको अपना नेकलाइन रखना है. आई रियली लव दिस वन, एंड मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे डाली थी एंड एवरीवन वाज लाइक लिंक प्लीज. सो हियर यू गो. द ओनली इशू इज कि ये अभी स्टॉक में नहीं है, बट आई विल प्रोवाइड द लिंक एज वेल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो या, आई मीन दिस इज द परफेक्ट समर ड्रेस. If you are going for a trip, vacation, just go for it without thinking twice. So the next dress is going to be this beautiful dusty pink color A-line dress, and it also has a slit pattern where, yes, from the left side. Really like it. It's very comfortable. I really like the flare, and the fabric of this dress is again rayon one. Yes, it's a soft rayon and it is very comfortable, and it has this smocked pattern from the neckline area, and it has this cute puffy sleeves. Really like the sleeves. From the back it has a zip closure. So yes, all in all it's a pretty dress, and definitely for a trip you guys can definitely purchase this one, and for summer specifically be bingo, go for it. Especially in summers I really like the dresses because you don't have to think about the top and the bottom part and you are just good to go. मतलब ज़्यादा efforts डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, and dresses अगर अच्छी हो, so you know, I'm definitely sure everyone gonna look stunning. जितनी भी मैंने आपको दिखाई है उन सब में मैंने M साइज वेयर कर रखा है. सो मेक श्योर यू पिक योर यूजुअल साइज, क्योंकि आई गेस परफेक्टली फिट आ जाएगा. एंड ऑल्सो मेक श्योर टू चेक आउट द साइज चार्ट एज वेल. पुट ओपन बैक A-line dress. It has this corset situation from the waistline, as you guys can see. I really love this specific waist situation here. I mean, ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिफाइन कर रही है मेरी वेस्ट को. एंड फ्रॉम द बैक इट हैज़ दिस क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न. द ओनली थिंग इज आई रियली डोंट लाइक दिस लेस हेयर बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये थोड़ा ऊपर रहेगी कि नीचे रहेगी, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा मेसी लग रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. अदरवाइज इट्स अ गुड ड्रेस, क्लियर स्टनिंग ड्रेस, एंड आई एम इन लव विद दिस वन. इट हैज़ दिस एडजस्टेबल स्ट्रैप and it also has a beautiful side slit. Love this. Super comfortable. Also the length is super good. If you are a short-heighted girl, then definitely good to go for you guys as well. This is a very elegant and gorgeous dress which gives you a, you know, a gothic vibe. Like आई रियली लाइक इट। वेस्ट है ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटैक्ट है, सो इट गिव्स मी अ बिल्कुल अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड लुक। सो या, all in all, good product, good quality, a big thumbs up and go for it. Moving on to our next dress. Okay, let's go for the dress. Beautiful floral dress. This is a ruched bodycon dress and I really love this one. This ruched pattern basically gives you a, you know, a perfect figure, I guess, and I really like ruched and bodycon dresses, but it gives you a proper shape, so that's why I really like it. Okay, here we go. This is how it looks like, and it has this adjustable strap, also have a zip closure. You guys can even wear it as a tube dress and sleeve up dress, so it's up to you. It has this wired support which is like a perfect, and because of this specific support, इसकी वजह से इसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो look है वो काफ़ी elevate हो रहा है. So all in all, go for it. एक पैसा वसूल है इसमें तो. Black lace bodycon dress. Size I am wearing in this one is again M size. में ऐसा इसमें criss cross pattern, tie pattern दे रखा है, and from the back area it looks like this only. The basic lace, and it's a very simple dress. The fabric of this dress is polyester, which is a little bit uncomfortable for me, especially in summers, but yes, I can bear it. As this back slit, it has this slit from the back area which make this dress very comfortable when you walk. And yeah, all in all, I really like it, and it's a perfect date dress or या डिनर डेट ड्रेस में फ्रंट में से लेस डिटेलिंग दे रखी है, सो इफ़ यू आर अनकंफर्टेबल कि थोड़ा सा विजिबल रहेगा आई गेस क्लीवेज एरिया, सो यू कैन वेयर समथिंग अंडर इट लाइक ब्लैक ट्यूब टॉप और एनी कैमी टॉप लाइक विच इज़ इन अ ब्लैक कलर, सो विच मेक्स दिस वेरी कंफर्टेबल. ब्यूटिफुल सैटिन टॉप. लुक एट दिस टॉप. अभी ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ब्राइट कलर आ रहा है, बट ये बहुत सटल रेड वाइन कलर है इसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा, बट ये बहुत ऑरेंजिश कलर आ रहा है इन द वीडियो. वेयरिंग इन दिस वन इज़ एम साइज, एंड द फैब्रिक ऑफ दिस वन इज सैटिन, एंड ऑनेस्टली इसका जो सैटिन की क्वालिटी है इज़ लाइक अ वेरी हाई क्वालिटी सैटिन है इसका. लाइक दिस फ्रंट लेयर्ड नेक लाइन विच मेक्स दिस टॉप वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड गॉर्जियस. I mean, I really love this color. इसमें एक और कलर अवेलेबल था. It has a very long sleeve. So for office wear, for date, for dinner, it's like a perfect top, and you guys can even mix and match this specific top with so many bottom wear. So yes, highly recommend this one to you guys. I'm obsessed with this. This beautiful black semi-formal dress. Size I'm wearing in this one is M size, and the fabric of this one is polyester. From the top it has this sleeveless blazer, and bottom में इसमें से पूरा fringed skirt दे रखी है, A-line skirt. So it's perfect outfit for office wear, and if you want a a boss lady look in your office, then definitely go ahead with this one. काफ़ी soft polyester है, so yes, it's comfortable, especially in summer. ये ऐसे पूरा attached दे रखी है top and bottom में, and elastic pattern दे रखा है skirt में, so particularly it's a perfect good to go dress. So yes, go for it. Okay, so next is this cute smock top, and size I'm wearing in this one is M size. This top is perfect for this easy breezy season. Really love this pattern, this sleeve, and from the front area it has this tie-up pattern. Love the print, it's so cute. This is a perfect soft girl aesthetic top, so yeah, cute, super cute. Love this one. And थोड़ा सा ये क्रॉप है, सो यू हैव टू वेयर समथिंग हाई वेस्टेड बॉटम वेयर आई गेस. ओवरऑल नेकलाइन में इसमें ऐसा पूरा इलास्टिक पैटर्न दे रखा है. फ्रॉम द वेस्ट में इसमें फ्रॉम द वेस्ट एरिया इट अगेन इट हैज़ दिस इलास्टिक पैटर्न which gives you a perfect elevated waistline. All in all, it's a good product, and yeah, a big thumbs up for this one. You guys can definitely check this out. So now I'm going to show you the accessories which I purchased. अच्छा, ये इसमें black में दे रखा है, इसको आप adjust भी कर सकते हो. Really like this buckle pattern, and इसमें ऐसा पूरा leather texture दे रखा है. This crocodile leather texture दे रखा है. PU leather है. Really like the quality, काफ़ी stiff है. And you guys can keep your basic necessary products in it. And same white में भी है इसका पूरा ऐसा. This is how it looks like. Wait, here we go. Honestly, इसकी जो मुझे quality है, it's not really up to the mark. I rate the quality 6 out of 10. But I really like this golden buckle pattern. You guys can see this specific buckle pattern. I really like it. And इसका जो handle है वो थोड़ा सा it's very light, so you have to handle with care. You can definitely keep your basic necessary things, I guess, like the lip balm, the phone, the wallet. आराम से आ जाएगा इसमें. काफ़ी स्पेशियस है कि इन वाले जो ये वाले जो बैग है इनका हैंडल जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा वीक है. सो मेक श्योर इसको आप काफ़ी अच्छे से रखें. अदरवाइज़ इसमें अगर आपने पानी भी गिर दिया तो आई थिंक ये होल्ड कर पाएंगे, because I'm not able to understand the fabric. Dicey है. It's up to you now. Last but not the least is the quad set which I'm wearing right now. Let me just show you. Look at this. Look at this wave pattern. So really love this wave lace and really love this quad set. And अभी मैं ट्रिप पे जा रही हूँ और उसमें मैं definitely wear करूँगी. It's so comfortable and easy. Plus the length of the shorts is super comfortable. दिखाती हूँ. Okay, वैसे try on में दिख जाएगा. हाँ. So this is how it looks like. मैं ऐसे elastic pattern दे रखा है. इसमें बस 2 pockets नहीं है. हाँ. Pockets नहीं दे रखी. बाकी all in all it's a good product. Pockets होती तो इसको I'll rate it 10 on 10, but now it's 9 on 10. ठीक है? Cute. Love this outfit. I definitely want this specific cord set in your wardrobe, guys, because this is like a must buy product and it's a very necessary product for you guys, just like your skincare and sunscreen. So yeah, just go for it and don't forget to check out Savannah K collection, because you will find adorable, cute, trendy and pocket friendly collection over there. So make sure you guys check this out. All the links are mentioned in the description box down below. I will see you guys in my next video. So yeah, bye bye and take care.